All right, here we are in Adobe Photoshop. And I'm going to show you how to unlock layers. I mean, you can just click on that and unlock it, but I'm going to show you what's going on here. So um, at the moment, I'm going to try to move. I have the move tool and I can't move anything. Weird. So, and it's actually making a marquee tool. It's kind of strange. So I'm going to, you can just unlock that and then now I can move her around. But I want to show you what's going on. So you go up here to layer, pull down to lock layers, and you can lock certain attributes: transparency, position, auto nest. That's when it sticks it into a folder for you if you have a group of layers, should I say. So it was on all, but I'll just do position lock and then hit OK, and now the lock's back, and I can't move her. So yeah, I mean that's a good thing if you've got multiple layers and you're clicking moving and you don't want to keep accidentally moving her. So there you go, and then unlock it. Same thing, get rid of that little lock. Uh, Super simple, just one of those things you just got to know where to click. Hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, let me know in the comments. Thanks.